Smartphone mounts. Our first contender on this gadget-filled list is something that has become indispensable to every modern driver: the smartphone mount. But not just any mount. We've delved into the world of high-quality, feature-packed mounts. There are mounts that not only keep your smartphone secure, but also offer adjustable angles and even wireless charge capabilities. Prices for these advanced smartphone mounts typically range from $20 to $80, depending on features and brand. Say goodbye to distracted driving and hello to seamless navigation and entertainment. Take your eyes off the road. Dash cameras. Next, let's talk about dash cameras. These aren't your typical dash cams. We're exploring the latest developments in the world of automotive surveillance. Prices for high-quality dash cameras vary widely. These can range from $100 to $500 or more, depending on features like resolution, dual camera setup, and GPS capabilities. These gadgets revolutionize the way we document our travels and ensure safety on the road. Tire pressure monitors. Now, let's consider a gadget that is often underestimated but plays an important role in maintaining the performance of your vehicle: the tire pressure monitor. These devices go beyond simple pressure readings. We tire pressure look for monitors that provide real-time data, making sure your tires are always fully inflated. Additionally, some of these high-tech monitors send alerts directly to your smartphone. When they detect any deviation from the maximum pressure range, providing peace of mind and increasing safety, from $30 to $150 depending on features and brand. OBDI diagnostic tools. For all you aspiring mechanics and die enthusiasts, our next gadget is a game changer. OBDI diagnostic tools have evolved, offering much more than basic code scanning. We're diving into the world of advanced diagnostic tools that not only provide error code information, but also provide in-depth analysis and recommendations for troubleshooting. With these tools at hand, you are able to diagnose and fix many auto problems. We'll go saving both time and money. Prices for advanced OBDI. Eye diagnostic tools can range from $50 to $300 or more. Wireless car charge. Running out of battery on the road can be a nightmare, but fear not. We're offering wireless car chargers that take charging convenience to the next level. These gadgets make the process smooth and mess-free. Just place your smartphone on the charging pad and you're good to go. Wireless car chargers typically range in price from $20 to $80, depending on brand and features. Keep your focus on the road. No more fumbling with cables while trying. Bluetooth car kits. Our next entry is about staying safely connected while driving. Bluetooth car kits have evolved to provide a seamless connection between your smartphone and your car's audio system. We're looking for the latest models that not only offer crystal clear hands-free calling, but also state-of-the-art music streaming capabilities. Stay entertained and informed without taking your hands off the wheel or eyes off the road. Modern Bluetooth car kits range in price from $30 to $100. Head-up displays HUDs. Ever dreamed of a futuristic heads-up display in your car? Well, dream no more, because HUDs are here, and they've come a long way. These cutting-edge gadgets offer important information such as speed, navigation directions, and even safety. Alerts right on your windshield. We're taking a closer look at HUDs with features like augmented reality, night vision support, and customizable displays for an immersive driving experience. Modern HUDs range in price from $100 to $500. Rear-view cameras. Backing up and parking can be a nerve-wracking experience, but not with the next-generation rear-view cameras we're seeing today. These cameras eliminate blind spots and make parking a breeze. We like focusing on models that offer high-resolution imaging, wide-angle views, and even night vision capabilities for a clear view, Whether it's day or at night, modern rear-view cameras start at $50 to $200. Car air purifiers. In today's world, clean air is more vital than ever, even within your vehicle. Car air purifiers have stepped up their game, and we're showcasing the latest models that go beyond just removing pollutants. These gadgets now feature advanced filtration technologies, intelligent sensors, and even aromatherapy functions to ensure you breathe in nothing but the freshest air while on the road. Prices for advanced car air purifiers range from $30 to $150. Smart key finders. Last but not least, we have a gadget that solves the perennial problem of losing your car keys. Smart key finders have taken the market by storm, and we're featuring some of the newest options available. These small devices help you track your keys with ease, often offering features like GPS tracking, smartphone connectivity, and even voice-activated assistance, taking the stress out of finding lost keys. Make things. Modern smart key finders range in price from $20 to $50. Which one of these remarkable gadgets caught your eye? Let us know in the comments section below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. See you in the next video.